Hi, so I wanted to share with you all one of my favorite recipes. I remake it all the time and I love sort of doing it based on the season. So I'm doing a room spray, so it's a deodorizing spray, so you can use it in the bathroom. Sometimes I'll just go through my whole house, which is right now a travel trailer, and spray the booth seats, spray like the jackets hanging by the doors, spray the boys' beds, and just give the whole thing a nice refresh. So it works as a linen spray, as a room spray, deodorizing spray. And what I'm actually going to use today is doTERRA has a new blend called Citrus Bloom, and it smells so good. It is wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia. So it's a really nice blend of both citruses and florals. And then I'm also going to add some Douglas fir. So Douglas fir is another great one for deodorizing. It's great for respiratory health. And what's great about it is it's a really fresh, bright smell, so it actually will blend really well with these citruses and flower oils. So I'm going to be doing it in I believe this is a 2-ounce bottle, and it's really simple. So I have purified water in here. Just pour it in, and then I usually say 1 to 2 drops per ounce of liquid. So this is just 2 ounces, so that would be 2 to 4 drops, but because it is for like deodorizing the air, it might be more like 3 or 4 drops per ounce. So I'm going to put 4 drops of Citrus Bloom. So I've already poured in the water, so I'm just going to do 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 drops of Douglas fir. 1, 2, 3. And what's really fun is, like, even if you're a creative person, but maybe you don't spend much time using your creativity, you can kind of let these fun little super quick projects be a bit of an outlet for you, which is refreshing. So all you have to do, you just shake it and then spray. And then another thing you can actually use this for is, like, if you have kids and like car seats, sometimes I'll just spray the boys' car seats, give it a quick spritz. And then I have these really cute labels. So I just put refresh on mine. We don't have a ton of spray bottles kicking around, so it's easy for me to keep track of. If we did have a bunch, I would probably put what was in it. But like I said, I like to make things seasonally, so next time I make it, maybe I'll do a different blend that is more summery or something. So, doesn't really get any faster or easier than that. It's a lot faster, a lot easier, a lot cheaper, a lot healthier than running to the store faster, and then the ingredients just make it a lot healthier than those toxic fragrance room sprays. If you don't know, just do a little Google of fragrance and see if it really aligns with your life and health goals. And if it doesn't, I highly recommend switching to something more natural like essential oils. So, hope you found this valuable, and just let me know if you have any questions or comments.